Hello students, welcome to Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in the last class, we were discussing the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables, right? Now, let's go for continuing this, and remember, this is 6th period of this chapter. In yesterday's class, we learned how to solve pair of linear equations in two variables by algebraic method. In algebraic method, we have three sub-methods. They are, one is elimination, second one is substitution, and third one is cross multiplication. Is it not? Yes. And even we were focusing on some of the statement problems as well. Now, let's move on to exercise questions. Let's move on to exercise 3.3. Go through the first question. It is, solve the following pair of linear equations by the method called substitution. In that, first question has already been solved. Now, let's move on to second one. It is s minus t equal to 3 is the first equation, and the second equation is s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Then how do you solve these two equations by substitution method? Yes, we will go for first number in these equations. S minus t is equal to 3. You may call it as equation 1. Then next one is, it is s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Here the terms are in fraction. Hence, we need to take LCM of the denominator, and that should be multiplied with all the terms. In the denominator, we have 3, 2 and 1. What is their LCM? Yes, you are right. It is 6. So, let us multiply 6 on both the sides. When you multiply 6 here, 3 ones are, 3 twos are. It becomes 2s plus multiply 6 to the second term. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 3 into t, 3t. This is equal to multiply 6 with the last term, RHS term. 6 6 are, it is 36. Now, you may call this equation as 2. Then, choose any one of these two equations and go for solving either t or s. Let me go for taking the first equation, because the coefficient of either s or t is smaller comparatively the second equation. Now, first equation is s minus t is equal to 3. Solve s. S is equal to transfer minus t to the right hand side, becomes plus t, and this is plus 3 as it is. You may call this as equation 3. Equation 3 is obtained by taking equation 1. Hence, 3 should be substituted in 2. Here I'll write. In the next step, substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Equation 2 is, it is 2s. What is s? S is t plus 3. T plus 3 plus 3t. This is equal to 36. Got it? Now, multiply 2 with both the terms. 2 into t, 2t plus 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6 plus 3t is equal to 36. Add 2t and 3t. This will be 5t. Then that's equal to 36. Now, transfer 6 to the right hand side. Becomes minus 6. 5t, this is equal to 36 minus 6 is 30. T is equal to 30 by 5. Cancel it by 5. 1s are, 6 are. Hence, the value of t is 6. Got it? Next, we have to find out the value of s. Hence, substitute t value, that is t equal to 6, in either equation 1 or in 2 or in 3. Let me go for taking 3, because we can find out S directly. Now S is equal to T plus 3. What is T? 6. Plus 3. What is 6 plus 3? It is 9. S equal to 9. Therefore, conclusion you can write like this. S value is 9. T value is 6. Is the required solution. Yes. Hope that you have understood. Please go for copying from there to here. Now, the third sub question is, it is 3x minus y equal to 3. And the second equation, 9x minus 3y equal to 9. Now, let us go for solving this by substitution method. The first equation is 3x minus y is equal to 3. And the next equation is 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. You may call it as second equation. According to substitution method, you just go for choosing any one of these two equations. I go for taking first one because coefficient of y is smaller than the coefficient of y in second equation. So 3x minus y equal to 3. Solve y from this. 3x, take 3 to the left hand side, becomes minus 3. So y is equal to 3x minus 3. Call it as equation 3. 3 has been taken from 1 and hence it should be substituted in 2. Here I write, substitute equation 3 in 2. Then 9x minus 3 into, what is y? Y is 3x minus 3. This is equal to 9. 9x minus 3 3s are 9. 9x minus into minus plus 3. It is equal to 9. 3 3s are here 9. Minus 9x plus 9x get cancelled. 9 is equal to 9. Of course, 9 is always 9. Hence, this is always true. Then what does it mean? We can say that the given equations have infinitely many solutions. Got it? Here I'll write. Therefore, the given equations have infinitely many solutions. Then if it has infinitely many solutions, let us go for taking any one. It all depends on how you go for taking the value for x. Suppose if x equal to 1, then we can write 3x minus y equal to 3. Substitute 1 in place of x. 3 into 1 minus y is equal to 3. Minus y is equal to 3. 3 ones are 3. Transfer this to the right hand side. Minus 3. Both get cancelled. Minus y equal to 0 is nothing but y equal to 0. Even this can also be applicable for second equation. Observe, 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. 9 into, where x is 1 minus 3y equal to 9. Then minus 3y is equal to 9. 9 ones are 9. Transfer that to the right hand side. Becomes minus 9. These two get cancelled. You will get 0. Minus 3y equal to 0. Then y is equal to 0 by minus 3. 0 by minus 3 is? It is 0 only. Therefore, one of the solutions is, when x is 0, y will be, when x is 1, y will be 0. Clear? Hope that you have understood this. Then you also know that the given pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions if and only if it satisfies the condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Just observe it. There. What do you say about a1 by a2? a1 is 3. a2 is 9. So 3 by 9. It is 1 by 3. What about b1 by b2? It is minus 1 and minus 3. Here I'll write minus 1 by minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled. 1 by 3. C1 by C2. It is. And transferring 3 to the left hand side becomes minus 3. Transferring 9 to the left hand side becomes minus 9. So you can write minus 3 by minus 9. Again it is 1 by 3. Compare. All the ratios are equal. Hence it has infinitely many solutions. It is just for information only. Yes, please go for copying from there to here. Let's move on to fourth sub question. Please go through both the equations. First one is, it is 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. And the second one is, it is 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Got it? Then how do you go for solving them by substitution method? You may go for solving first x and y, and that can be substituted in any one of the equations. But before that, it is better to convert this into whole numbers or integers. See that here we have decimals. After decimal 1 digit, here 1 digit, here 1 digit. In here also 1, 1 and 1 digit. Hence, we shall go for multiplying 10 on both the sides. It will be easier. When you multiply 10 here, it becomes 2x, it becomes 3y, and 1.3 will be 13. Now you may call it as equation 1. Next, here also multiply 10 on both the sides. It will be 4x and this is 5y is equal to 23. Call it as equation 2. In the next step, we have to choose any one of these two equations. I'll choose first one. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Solve either x or y. I'll solve x. So 2x is equal to 13. Transfer 3y to the right hand side becomes minus 3y. Then x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. You may call it as equation 3. 3 is obtained from 1. Hence, it should be substituted in 2. Let's go for substituting. Substitute equation 3 in 2. Then 4x, already x is known. It is 13 minus 3y by 2 plus 5y is equal to 23. Followed? Then observe it. You can cancel here. 1's are 2's are. Multiply 2 with both the terms. 13 2's are 26. 2 3's are 6y plus 5y is equal to 23. Then 26 minus 6y plus 5y, how much? This will be 1y is equal to 23. Transfer 26 to the right hand side, minus 26. Then minus y is equal to 23 minus 26 minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled, y equal to 3. Then substitute y equal to 3 in the third equation. In equation 3. Third equation is x is equal to 13 minus 3 into y. What is y? This is 3 by 2. And here I'll continue. It is equal to 13 minus 3 3's are 9 by 2. 13 minus 9, 4. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. X is equal to 2. Therefore, x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 is the required solution. Hope that you have understood. Please do remember, here after decimal we have 1 digit. If 2 digits are there, then you will have to multiply 100. 3 digits are there, multiply by 1000. Got it? Yes. Please go for copying from there to here. Dear students, fourth one and fifth sub question both are solved. Already they are solved in worked examples. Now we move on to second question. It is like this. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. After solving, then we have to find out the value of m. How? There is a condition. That condition is y equal to mx plus 3. Hope that you have understood. If you want to find out the value of m, you need to substitute for x and y. How do you get that x and y? By solving these two equations. Which method? Here, have they mentioned any particular method? No. Then we can go for either elimination or substitution or one more method, that is cross multiplication. And we all know that elimination method is so simple. Let's move on to that to solve these two equations. Here I'll write. The first equation, it is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Let it be equation 1. And next, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Call it as equation 2. Here, second equation can be simplified. But because all the terms are the multiples of 2, I won't go for that. The reason is, here the coefficient of x in first equation is 2. Even it is also same in equation, coefficient of x is 2 in both the equations. Hence, directly we can go for solving them. Observe, I'll go for changing the sign, minus, because here plus is there. Here minus, plus. Here minus, plus. Plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. Next, plus 3y plus 4y, it is 7y, is equal to 11 plus 24, it is 35. Hope that you have understood. Y equal to 35 by 7. Cancel it. Y is equal to 7 ones and 7 5s. Such a simple one. After finding the value of y, then we have to find out the value of x. Hence, substitute this y equal to 5 in any of the two equations. I go for taking the first equation. First equation is, it is 2x plus 3y. What is y? It is 5. Is equal to 11. Then 2x is equal to 11. What is 3 5s are? 15. Transfer 15 to the right hand side. Becomes minus 15. Then 2x is equal to 11 minus 15 is, it is minus 4. Then x equal to minus 4 by 2. Cancel it. X equal to minus 2. See that we have got both the values, x and y. X and y values. First, what has been given? Solve x and y. Both are solved. Therefore, I'll write x comma y is the required solution. Then what is the sub question? Find out the value of m, for which y is equal to mx plus 3. Substitute y and x values. Y is 5 equal to m into x is minus 2 plus 3. Then 5 is equal to m into minus 2 is minus 2m. Then plus 3. Next, transfer minus 2m to the left hand side becomes plus 2m is equal to 3 as it is. 5 to the right hand side becomes minus 5. It is 2m is equal to, what is 3 minus 5? Minus 2. M is equal to minus 1. Hope that you have understood. Yes. So this is the solution for the given equations. Got it? We found out both the values of x and y. Then we also found out the value of m. Here we have two sub questions. Hence we can consider it as important one. I put 3 star mark. Now pause the video and copy from here to there. Go through this third one. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solutions by substitution method. So here they are given verbal problems. So first you have to convert the given situations into equations, mathematical equations. Then after that we can go for solving them. First sub question, it is like this. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Dear students, here we can come to know that they have given two numbers. Their difference is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. We do not know both the numbers. Hence we can go for assuming that. Let the two numbers be x and y. But if there is difference, then one should be bigger than the other, right? Here also, again you can assume that is such that x is greater than y. Now let us come to know that. See, the difference between two numbers is 26. Can we write x minus y is equal to 26? Because x is greater, we can write so, x minus y equal to 26. And one of the condition, it is one number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other. That is, bigger number is 3 times the smaller number. Which is the bigger number? X. And smaller number? Y. See, one number is 3 times the other. Can we write so? Yes. Now, here I will write. From the statements, we can write first difference is 26. Difference is 26. Therefore, x minus y equal to 26. And you may call it as equation 1. What is the second statement? One number is 3 times the other. Here I will write. One number is 3 times the other. Hence, we can write one number, bigger number is x. It is 3 times that of y. Call it as equation 2. Then, by substitution method, what should be done? Already x is there. Hence, you can go for substituting equation 2 in 1 directly. Substitute equation 2 in 1. Then 1 is x minus y equal to 26. What is x? 3y. So 3y minus y equal to 26. Then 2y is equal to 26. Y is equal to 13. Understood? Next, we want the value of x. Substitute y equal to 13 in either first or second, any one. I will go for taking equation 2. X is equal to 3y. What is y? It is 30. Now x is equal to 13 3s are 39. Followed? Now we can write the conclusion. Therefore, they are given the two numbers. First number is x. X is nothing but 39. And the second number is y. Y is equal to 13. Observe. What is the difference? Difference is 39 minus 13 is 26. And 39 is 3 times that of 13. 13 3s are 39. Got it? Yes. Please go for copying from there to here. Now, the second sub question is like this. The larger of two supplementary angles. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18. Now find the angles, or you can write find them. Please go through the given statement. Simple one. The larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller angle by 18 degree. We have to find out both the angles. Dear students, if you want to solve this, first you must know the definition of supplementary angles. According to this, if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are said to be supplementary angles. Here we do not know that. Hence, let us assume the angles. Let x and y be the two angles, but here there is one angle should be smaller and another angle should be larger. Hence, I go for taking let x be the larger angle and y be the smaller angle. According to the definition, from the definition of supplementary angles, what it is? The sum of two angles is 180 degree. So x is one angle, y is another angle. It is 180 degree. You may call it as equation 1. Next, observe it. Larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18. So here I'll write larger angle is more than the smaller angle by 18 degree. Is more than or nothing but bigger than the smaller by 18 degree. Now, with respect to this, I go for writing larger angle. Which is the larger angle? X is more than the smaller angle. Smaller angle is y. By how much? 18. Clear up? Yes. You may call this as equation 2. You no need to go for solving either x or y because already x is there. Hence, I go for substituting equation 2 in equation 1 in calculation. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. X plus y equal to 180. What is x? Y plus 18. Y plus 18 is equal to 180. Then y is equal to 180 minus 18. Y is equal to 180 minus 18 is, it will be 162. Got it? Then we have to find out the value of y. Hence, substitute y equal to 162 in any of the two equations. Here, I'll take equation 1. X plus, what is y? Y is 162 is equal to 180. So, x is equal to 180 minus 162. How much it is? This will be 18. Yes, copy. The students, just observe this substitution. Here, you are going to substitute equation 2 in 1. 2 is x equal to y plus 18. It should be substituted in 1. So, we had left y. Hence, I'll go for writing that here. Here, x plus y equal to 180, where x is y plus 18. Y plus 18 plus y equal to 180. Y is equal to 180. Then, what is y plus y? 2y. Plus 18 is equal to 180. Then, 2y is equal to 180. 18 to the right hand side. Plus minus 18 Then 2y is equal to 180 minus 18 is 162. Then y is equal to 162 by 2. Y is equal to 2 8s are 1s are 81 degree. Next we have to find out x. Substitute y is equal to 81 degree in any one of these two equations. I'll go for taking equation 2 because as we are going to find out the value of x, there is direct equation. X is equal to y plus 18. Y is 81 plus 18. Hope that you have understood. It will be 99. X equal to 99. Now, therefore, the angles are greater angle is 99 degree and smaller angle is 81 degree. This is the solution. Got it? See, you can check that. What is x plus y? 99 plus 81. 99 plus 1 is 100 plus 80. 180. And larger angle 99 is more than smaller angle 81 by 18. 81 plus 18, 99. Clear now? Yes. Now, please copy this one. Pause the video and write from there to here. Yeah. Go through the third sub question. It is like this. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Then later that lady coach buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. We have to find out the cost of each bat and each ball. That is 1 bat and 1 ball. We do not know the cost of each bat and each ball. Hence, first let us assume that. Let the cost of a bat, how much? You may call this as rupees x. And the cost of a ball, let it be rupees y. Then go through the given statement. Coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Here I'll write. Cost of 7 bats and 6 balls is rupees 3,800. Let us convert this statement into mathematical equation. What is the cost of 1 bat? Rupees x. 7 bat, 7x. Then 1 ball, it is rupees y. 6 ball, 6y. Together cost overall, it is 3,800. Such a simple statement it is. You may call it as equation 1. Next. Another statement is, again, the cost of 3 bats and 5 balls. How much? It is rupees 1,750. Now let us convert this into an equation. Cost of 1 bat is rupees x, 3 bats 3x, 1 ball y, 5 balls 5y. It's equal to 1750. You may call it as equation 2. Now we have to solve it by substitution method. Let's go forward. Calculation. According to the substitution method, you have to choose any one of the 2 equations. So lower coefficients. I take second equation. It is 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750. So any one of the 2 variables. I take x. So it is 3x is equal to 1750 minus 5x. Then x is equal to 1750 minus 5x transpose 3 to the denominator. You may call it as equation 3, which is obtained from 2. Hence it should be substituted in 1. Here I will write. Substitute 3 in 1. Then 1 can be written as 7x plus 6y. 7x. X is this. 1750 minus 5x by 3 plus 6y. 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. Now we have to solve this. How do you go for solving? First, you multiply 7 with both the terms. Then 7 into 1750. It is 0, 7 5s are 35, 3, 7 7s are 49 plus 3, 52, 5. 7 ones are 7 plus 5, 12. 12,250. Got it? Next, minus 7 5s are 35x by 3 plus 6y equal to 3800. In the denominator, 3 is there. Next, here is 1, here is 1. LCM of all the denominators is 3. Therefore, multiply 3 on both the sides. When you multiply 3 here, 3 get cancelled. 12,250 minus 35x. Multiply 3 to the second term. 3 6 are 18y. And multiply 3 with the third term. 0 0. 3 8s are 24. 2. 3 3s are 9. It is 11,400. Very simple. 3,000 3s are 9,000. 800 3s are 2,400. It will be 11,400. Next, now it should be 3x equal to 1750 minus 5y. This is 5y, should be 5y. Here 35y and this is 35y. Okay, now minus 35y plus 18. How much it will be? It is minus 15 minus 8. It is 7. Here 2 will remain. 2 minus 1. It is 1. 17y. Minus 17y. Then 11400 minus 12,250. Then minus 17y. This is equal to. Subtract here. 12250. And 11,400. 0, 5, then 12 minus 4, 8. 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. 850. So here greater number has minus sign, hence it will be minus 850. Minus minus get cancelled. Y is equal to, see that, 17 ones are, 17 5s are 85, zeros are. Y equal to 50. Next, let us find out the value of x. So substitute y equal to 50 in, I'll go for taking the third equation. Third equation is x equal to 1750 minus 5 into y. Y is how much? 50 divided by 3. It is equal to 1750 minus 55 are. It is 250 divided by 3. 1750 minus 250. It is 1500 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are 0 0. So x equal to 500. This is the cost of a bat. See, cost of bat is taken x 500 and ball is taken as y. Its cost is rupees 50. In conclusion, therefore, the cost of a bat is rupees 500 and a ball is rupees 50. Hope that you have understood. Please go for copying from there to here. Now this is fourth sub question. Observe this. The taxi charges in a city consists of one fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered, and for a distance of 10 kilometer the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 kilometer the charge paid is 155. Then what are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? Are they known factors? Both are unknown. After knowing these, then we should calculate, that is, how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer. Hope that you have understood this statement. Here it has been given that the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Here fixed charge is unknown. First let us write that. Let the fixed charge be rupees X, and then charge for 1 kilometer, that is also unknown. Here also. And the charge for 1 kilometer, let it be rupees Y. There are two situations. What are those? Let me write them one by one. First one is, look at it. For a distance of 10 kilometer, it is 105. The charge for 10 kilometer, it is rupees 105. Observe. The charge for 10 kilometer 105 means it includes both fixed charge and charge for 1 kilometer. What is the fixed charge? Rupees X. Charge for 1 kilometer, Y rupees. But how much distance covered? 10 kilometer. So for 1 kilometer, Y rupee. 10 kilometers, 10 Y. Hope that you have understood. This is equal to rupees 105. You may call this as equation 1. Next we have another situation. That situation is the charge for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is 155. Here I'll write the charge for 15 kilometer is rupees 155. Here this charge includes both fixed charge and charge for 1 kilometer. Fixed charge X rupee, 1 kilometer Y rupee, 15 kilometer 15 Y. Altogether 155. You may call it as equation 2. Got it? Yes. Now let's go for calculate by using a method called substitution method. We have two equations. Go for choosing any one. Let me take first one only. It is X plus 10Y is equal to 105. Solve any one variable. I go for X because its coefficient is just 1. 105, then minus 10Y. Call it as 3. 3 is obtained from 1. Hence substitute this in 2. Here I'll write. Substitute equation 3 in 2. Then equation 2 can be written as X plus 15Y. What is X? It is 105 minus 10Y plus 15Y is equal to 155. Then minus 10Y plus 15Y, it is 5Y. This is equal to 155. Transfer 105 to the right hand side, becomes minus 105. Then 5Y is equal to 155 minus 105, it is 50. Y is equal to 5 ones are 5 tens. Got it? Yes. Then after getting Y value, then we can go for finding X. Hence I go for substituting Y equal to 10 in which equation? you can go for third one, because we can find out the value of x directly. X equal to 105 minus 10 into what is y? Y is 10. Here I'll write. This is x is equal to 105 minus 10 tens are, this is 100. X equal to 5. Understood? Now see that where x is the fixed charge and y is charge for 1 kilometer. But in addition with that, they've asked to find out how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer. Then I'll write charge for 25 kilometer. It is equal to fixed charge x rupee, and for 1 kilometer y rupee, for 25 kilometer 25 y. It's equal to, where x is 5 plus 25 into y is, it is 10. Then it is equal to 5 plus 25 tens are, it is 250 plus 5, 255. Got it? Conclusion. Therefore, we have to write 3 statements in the conclusion. One is, see, what are the fixed charges and charge per kilometer? I'll write. Therefore, the fixed charge is, it is x. X is how much? It is rupees y. This is first one. Next one. The charge per kilometer is y. What is y? It is 10. You can write rupees 10. After this, then the charge for 25 kilometer is rupees 250. See that? 1 kilometer 10 rupees, 25 kilometer 250 plus fixed charge 5, 255. Here it is. Hope that you have understood. Once you go through the statement and try to write the data yourself, after obtaining the equations, again go for solving it by substitution yourself. Then you check that whether you have followed all the steps correctly or not. Then, yes, go through up to here. Yes. Observe. It is fifth statement is like this. A fraction becomes 9 by 11. Under what condition? If 2 is added to both numerator and the denominator. Next, if 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Is it not simple? Yes. Say, fraction. If it is a fraction, there will be 2 terms. One will be in the numerator and another one will be in the denominator. We do not know both of them. I take the numerator as x, the denominator as y. Next, it has been given that a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if and only if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. 2 should be added to numerator x, 2 should also be added to denominator y. Now, using this, we have to form an equation. Similarly, second one. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, that is x plus 3 by y plus 3, then the fraction becomes 5 by 6, like this. And you have to bring that to standard form, then we can go for solving it. Clear up? Yes. Here, I'll write first data. Let x be a numerator and y be a denominator. Then what will be the fraction? Fraction will be x by y. Therefore, a fraction is equal to x by y. then it has been given that 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. Then that can be written like this: x plus 2 by y plus 2. Then the fraction becomes 9 by 11. To bring it to standard form, then go for cross multiplication. 11 into x, 11x. 11 2s are 22. Then 9 into y, 9y. 9 into 2, it is 18. Then 11x, take 9y to the left hand side, minus 9y, this is equal to 18. Take 22 to the right hand side, minus 22. 18 minus 22 is minus 4. You may call it as equation 1. Next. And the second statement, it is 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. That is x plus 3 by y plus 3. Then the fraction becomes 5 by 6. Here I'll write 5 by 6. Again go for cross multiplication. 6 into x, 6x. 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18. Then multiply 5 with both the terms. 5 into y, 5y. Plus 5 3s are, it is 15. Then 6x as it is. Transfer 5y to the left hand side. Minus 5y, which is equal to 15. Transfer 18 to the right hand side. Minus 18. 15 minus 18, minus 3. Call it as equation 2. Next, it should be solved by substitution method, as they have mentioned particularly. So choose any one of these two equations. I go for taking the second equation. Second equation is 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Solve any one of these two variables. I go for taking x. 6x is equal to minus 3. Transfer this. It becomes plus 5y. Then we want x only. X is equal to minus 3 plus 5, or else you can also write it as 5y minus 3 by 6. Call it as equation 3. 3 is taken from 2. Hence, it should be substituted in 1. Here I'll write. Substitute equation 3 in 1. Equation 1 is 11x, where x is 5y minus 3 by 6, minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Observe, multiply by 11. 11 5s are 55. Y. 11 3s are, it is 33 by 6, minus 9y. It is equal to minus 4. Denominator 6 is there. Multiply 6 with all the terms. Multiply 6 on both the sides. Then here it becomes 55y minus 33. Minus. Multiply 6 with the second term. 9 6 are 54, or 6 9s are 54y. It's equal to multiply 6 with minus 4. 6 4s are 24. Here 55y minus 54y. This will be just y. It is minus 24. Transfer minus 33 to the right hand side. Becomes plus 33. Y is equal to 24 plus 33. Minus 24 plus 33 is 9. Y is equal to 9. Now, it is substitute y equal to 9 in equation 3. It is equation 3 is x is equal to 5y. What is y? It is 9 minus 3 whole divided by 6. What is 5 9s are? It is 45 minus 3 by 6. 45 minus 3, 42 by 6. 1s are, it is 7s are. X equal to 7. Then what is the fraction? Fraction is x by y. What is x? 7. Y? 9. Therefore, the fraction that we have found out is 7 by 9. Here, Therefore, the fraction is 7 by 9. Understood? Yes. Please go for copying from there to here. Now, sixth one, it's age related problem. Is important one. Go through this. 5 years hence, that means after 5 years or 5 years from now, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Then next, 5 years ago, before 5 years, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? Dear students, I have already taught you how to convert the verbal statement into mathematical statement, particularly age related. There are 2 methods. You can go for any one. Here, alright, you are going to find out the present ages of Jacob and his son, right? Let me write that. Let the present age of Jacob, it is equal to, you can write x years, and the present age of Jacob's son, that is, call it as y years. There are 2 situations. One is 5 years from now. Here I will write. After 5 years, then will be 3 times that of his son age 5 years ago. That is before 5 years. Here I will write Jacob and Jacob's son. Okay. 5 years ago, the present age of, after 5 years, the present age of Jacob is x years. After 5 years, it will be x plus 5. And the present age of his son is y years. After 5 years, it will be y plus 5 years. Clear? Next. Before 5 years, that is 5 years ago, see that? 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times. Let us consider that later. Present age of Jacob is x. 5 years ago, his age was x minus 5 years. And son's age, present age is y years. 5 years ago, y minus 5. I am just going to draw the table. It will be easy to understand. Yes. Now, let us move on to the given statement. What is the given statement? It has been given that 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times of his son. Jacob's age will be 3 times of his son. It is just for your reference only. 5 years hence, after 5 years, what was the Jacob's age? It is x plus 5. 3 into son's age, it is y plus 5. Bring it to standard form. This is x plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15. Next, x. Transfer y to the 3y to the left hand side. Minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5. This is equal to 10. X minus 3y is equal to 10. You may call this as first equation. Next, another one. The another statement is 5 years ago, before 5 years, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. Again, it is also your reference. Jacob's age before 5 years, x minus 5. And son's age before 5 years, y minus 5. Clear? Then it is x minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 7 5s are 35. Then x minus 7y is equal to minus 35. Transfer minus 5 to the right hand side. This becomes minus 35 plus 5. Then x minus 7y is equal to, what is minus 35 plus 5? Minus 30. You may call it as equation 2. Now let us go for solving these equations by substitution method. Observe. Choose any one of these two equations. I go for first one, will be easier. It is x minus 3y is equal to 10. Solve x. X equal to 3y plus 10. Call it as equation 3. 3 is taken from 1 and substitute this in 2. Here I will substitute. Substitute equation 3 in 2. Then I can write x minus 7y. What is x? It is 3y plus 10. X minus 7y is equal to minus 30. Next, it is 3y minus 7y minus 4y. It is minus 30. Transfer 10 to the right hand side becomes minus 10. Then minus 4y is equal to minus 40. Minus minus get cancelled. Y is equal to 40. Got it? Next, substitute y equal to 40 in third equation only. It will be easier. Then x is equal to 3y plus 10. 3 into y is 40 plus 10. It will be 43. It is 120 plus 10. It is equal to 130. Dear students, just observe here. Here is small correction. Minus minus get cancelled. 40 by 4. It is 10. Then y is equal to 10. It should be substituted in equation 3. Then x equal to 3y. Y is 10. Then plus 10. 10 3s are, it is 30. 30 plus 10, it is 40. X equal to 40. Now, let us write the conclusion. What does x represent? X is Jacob's percentage. And percentage is 40 years. And his son's percentage is y. It is 10 years. Here I'll write. Therefore, Jacob's present age is 40 years and his son's age is 10 years. Okay? Yes. Dear students, once you go through the statement, what are the steps I have followed, and pausing the video, you should try to solve yourself. After that, you just go for checking whether you have followed all the steps correctly or not. Okay? Yes. With this problem, the exercise has been completed. Next, we should move on to another exercise. Let us continue that in tomorrow's class. And before concluding the class, again, I am reminding you, whatever the statement problems we have solved, please do practice them today itself without keeping anything pending. Clear? Yes. With this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.